2-year engineering degrees were awarded for the 2010 and 2011 academic year. About 240 degrees were awarded, and we're projecting that in the next 5 years, about 1,200 2-year engineering degrees are going to be awarded. Right now, there is partnership between wind energy industry and a center in Oklahoma called the Oklahoma Career Tech Center. What they're basically doing is it's a partnership between the wind industry, the Department of Commerce in Oklahoma, and the Oklahoma Career Tech to basically spur wind industry throughout the state. They come up with certification mechanisms as well as like guidelines to kind of guide the industry. Since this is currently already in the state, we also think that there may be potential for a program with solar energy to also be developed with Oklahoma Career Tech.
So why the site works, mainly because we have a massive, a vast space of 150 acres of greenfield space. We think that's the most important thing. Then also for our higher class managerial workers, we have a golf course next door. We have a lot of amenities close by, especially with it being close to the airport and very close to Oklahoma City, within the MSA and within Oklahoma County. And it meets all the requirements and has the potential to. Some of the challenges, we have a lot of professional workers in Oklahoma City and a low level of laborers, which we pointed out. But at the same time, we do have a lot of potential for training some more workers to work for us. Certainly some of the utility requirements, it might take a few months to meet those. The real personal property taxes for our site, you're going to see these 200 million and 550 million figures that we've seen before. For the real property, we're going to be looking at 2.5 million, and here we're looking at 6.8 million. And then this is our incentive negotiations as they stand right now. And I'm not going to get into a whole lot of detail because I'm not an expert, but the most important incentive, as you can see, this one up here is the sales tax exemption for machinery and equipment, and then that's extremely important because that's all the machinery and equipment that's going to be purchased for our site upon construction is going to be completely sales tax exempt, and so that's a significant figure, 51 million. And then at the top you see also 14.25 million. We chose this. There was an option between an investment tax credit and another type of tax credit, and we chose this one. Although the other one was significantly more in the long run, it was about 105 million in the long run. This one was 4 million more in the first year, so we took from class that we wanted to have more money up front, so we went with that option. But the other ones, you can just look down the table, and these are, I imagine, pretty typical figures. And the other one that I want to draw attention to is the sales tax exemption for energy use in manufacturing. I think that can be a huge figure long term. And so you can see this number is 200 million. That's a lot of money from where I come from. But anyhow, that's our presentation.
Do you want to stop? Okay. How do I do? Push this red button.
I think so.